How to delete a Snapchat call history. So deletion of Snapchat call history is important either for your privacy reasons or maybe you wanna keep a Snapchat ID. So deletion of Snapchat call history is quite simple and easy. First of all, launch your Snapchat app on your device. Sign into your account. Now tap Bitmoji at top left corner of the screen. Select your icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down until and unless you get privacy control section. Here, you need to scroll down and select the option for you need to locate the option for clear data. If you don't find that option on privacy controls, either you can scroll down again and select account access section. Here, tap clear conversation option and here are all the list of the people with whom you have had the conversation before. So in order to clear or delete Snapchat call history, you can simply tap on the cross mark next to the username and here tap the clear button. Once you have cleared for that person's conversation, along with your conversation, the Snapchat call history for that user will also be deleted. So that is how we delete a Snapchat call history. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.